It's Amanda with Mettle Modern Design coming to you live tonight on behalf of Essential Stencil. Okay, so we've got this wood cradle panel. I'm going to use this side so that it can hang on this side. You can use whichever side amuses you. We are going to pull out some stain. So we're going to use botanical white, and oh, I can't reach that far. My little short arms. And then this is bay blue, botanical white and bay blue. And those are the colors we're going to use. I'll need a couple of sponges for sure. We're just going to do a little stain blending to get these all on here. So we're going to start with the white. Let me start with a pair of gloves. Okay, so I'm going to grab some white stain, and we're just going to put this down over the whole piece. I find that when I start with white, it makes the other colors vibrant. Sometimes it thins them out just a little bit. It just, in my opinion, just helps me blend the whole piece together. So a lot of times you'll see me start out with white. We're going to grab some of the bay blue and some of the botanical. I'll use this to pop this can open. And so let's see what we got here. Coming in over that white just thins out this color just a little bit. You know, if we just wanted to do these two colors, we could. Just white and bay blue. It wouldn't be wrong for sure. So we're just going to come on here a little more than halfway. We're just getting some color down right now. Make sure our sides kind of match up. And then what we're going to do, I guess I'm going to go for a third sponge tonight. I'm going to grab some botanical. Okay, so this is how we're starting. I'm going to take our fine spritzer of water, and we're just going to mist the whole piece. We're going to grab our white sponge. I'm not going to grab any more stain on it, and I'm just going to kind of lightly blend right through the center here. And we're just kind of fading that line in. We'll just fade it in the edges too, where they meet. And so I'm going to come up here and grab this blue. A little bit more moisture. We're just going to shade in some blue. Just doing some light circular motions. Down towards the green. And we're going to take our green and we're going to do some light circular motions up towards the blue. And again, we're just going to kind of blend right through that center. Okay. Just going to come in and fine sand this out. I think what I'm going to do is put down just another Christmas in Paradise. And so I think that's what I'm going to do to kind of use a couple of stencils and do a little bit of a play on words. Just grab out a little bit of white paint. This is just a white acrylic by Master's Touch. We'll need more than that. Okay, so we're going to grab a brush. I'm just going to lift and offload. There we go. And we're just going to come in here and we're just going to stencil down person. So then we're going to grab Christmas from this one. Okay. The word Paradise. Just make sure it's nice and vibrant. Okay. And we'll paint these up. And I don't know if I want them to be white or if I want them to be different colors. What do you guys think? Which ones should I use on here? I'm just gonna take this little backer board here. Ooh. I'm just gonna do one side of these, and I am just going to use my little stencil brush here. I'm just going to lay this down, and I'm just going to come over this with some white paint. I'm just going to kind of put this down just so we can kind of see. I've also got some brighter coastal colors. Let's see what it would look like with. Might be too blendy, but we'll see. Kind of how these look. I've got this pink and I've got this red. This might be, we'll see. We'll go with this one first. I've got another little brush. Okay. Maybe we'll do the coral. We're just going to bring on this coral color. And we'll pull this piece all together. Make sure I don't have anything coming through the back. And we've just got a lovely coral. We'll go white on the sand dollars. That makes the most sense, I think. You do like the coral color? It sold pretty quick. These are the Waverly chalk paints. We'll do one in a light blue called Cool. Grab another brush yet. Just a light blue color. Oh, I need to shake that. It's not coming out very light blue. Shake it a little. I just wanted a little darkness. So we'll go ahead and glue him down so I can show you how to do that. You can use B6000, you can do, or E6000, B7000. You can use Aleene's Clear Tacky Gel, like whatever your go-to adhesive is. I'm just going to use a little of this. Right. Claire says she puts a little masking tape on the lid. It works. I will have to try that next time. Okay. Well, that is what I had for you guys tonight. Something simple but different. Piecing together the elements of your stencils to create some completely different designs and making your own unique signs by doing so. Okay, you guys be blessed and take care, and I'll see you real soon. Bye, friends.